In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the black screen issue on Facebook videos. If you've ever found yourself staring at a blank screen when trying to watch your favorite clips, don't worry, because I've got some simple solutions that might just do the trick for you. Let's start by addressing one of the most common issues: your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can easily be the culprit, leaving your videos stuck on a black screen. Before diving into more complex fixes, try refreshing your web page or the app you're using. Sometimes, that's all it takes for your video to load properly. If that doesn't work, double-check your internet connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi is stable or, if possible, switch to a wired connection for a stronger signal. Still no luck? Try restarting your router to give your connection a fresh start. Next, let's make sure you're using the latest version of the Facebook app or your web browser. Facebook periodically updates its platform, and using an outdated version could lead to compatibility issues. For mobile users, head over to your App Store and check for any available updates. Desktop users should ensure their browser is up to date as well. This simple step often resolves compatibility and performance issues. Now, if you're using Facebook on your mobile device, clearing the app cache can be a real lifesaver. Over time, cache files can become corrupted or outdated, leading to playback problems. On your device, navigate to the Settings menu, find the Facebook app, and look for Storage or Cache options. Selecting Clear Cache won't delete any of your personal data but can help resolve playing issues. For desktop users, clearing your browser cache might also solve the problem. Visit your browser settings, locate the Privacy or History section, and choose to clear the browser cache. Be cautious, as doing this will log you out of most websites, so make sure you remember your passwords or have them saved beforehand. Sometimes, it's simply a matter of disabling browser extensions or add-ons. These can interfere with video playback, leaving you with nothing but a black screen. Temporarily disable extensions to see if this resolves the issue. You can usually do this through your browser's Settings menu, under Extensions or Add-ons. If you find that this fixes the problem, selectively enable extensions one by one until you find the culprit. Additionally, ensure your device's hardware acceleration is configured correctly. On many computers, this setting enhances the performance of video playback but can sometimes cause issues when not properly set up. Access your system settings or browser options to adjust hardware acceleration features accordingly. Finally, make sure that your device's video drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can create conflicts that result in playback errors. Visit your device manufacturer's website or use a dedicated driver update tool to get the latest updates. If you've followed these steps and your issue persists, it might be worth reaching out to Facebook support for further assistance. Solving the black screen issue can be frustrating, but with a bit of patience and troubleshooting, you'll be back to enjoying your videos in no time. Thanks for watching, and good luck!